My name is Carsten, and this is my channel. In the last couple of videos, I've been driving around with this little monster, the high-boxing Stealth X09. I bought it less than 2 months ago. I actually bought another parts car previously, and in search for parts, I found this, the complete one. And this particular one came with the original box. I have modified the body a little bit. First of all, you can see there's a hole in the window so my GoPro is visible through that. And then I also cut a line here. The body was already had some cracks, but this one is actually meant to be able to just open and then click on the ECS, and instead of having to remove the body. So let's just put this one to the side. A few weeks ago, I found a guy who was selling an X09 online, and he had a non-original body. And since I'm always looking for a body because, well, bodies crack, I asked him what body that was. And that was from, I think was a high boxing Ranger. But since those are still hard to get hold on, at least in Denmark, it wasn't an option for me. But as we were talking, he mentioned he had quite a few parts. So, and he asked if I wanted to buy them. So he sent me some pictures, and in this box, I think between 70 and 80% is from that purchase. The rest was from when I bought the car. There was a few spares in it. But let's open the box here and see what we can find. I already have divided them into some boxes. Among the things that were in it, there were some tires and a couple of body shells. And you'll see one of them has duct tape on it. The other one is quite good. Dirty, but good. But let's start with box number 1. And I have my cheat sheet here because, well, I'm a noob. I don't know all the parts, what they're for yet, because, well, I've just recently started messing with RC cars. So what I have here is I took some pictures and posted it. I asked ChatGPT to name what parts there was. So if there's anything wrong, blame it on ChatGPT. But box number 1. Shocks. There's 9 in total as of now. I haven't checked if they're actually good, but well, this one squeaks a little bit, but yeah, they might be good enough. So, box number 2. Suspension arms, and some of them, see, what is this, steering links, and well, something like this is what this is actually what I broke on the car the last time I drove, where I had to replace one in here. but that's what these are for. Box number 3. A lot of bits and pieces. I think this to have near the motor, suspension arms, yeah. Yeah, I'm not, like I said, I'm not too sure about what all the parts are for. The only thing is, I know this is in terms of, it's part of the suspension. But if it breaks, I have a, oh, better put this one in here. Box number 4. It's a lot of smalls. This one was actually, when I bought this car, it was at the end of the battery to stop it from moving. But with my new battery, I don't think there's any chance it moving. Then there's some screws, battery voltage tester, some pins for keeping the body on the car, and a lot of plastic things I still have to find out exactly what it is. Yeah, ChatGPT just calls some body clip, servo horns and random clips and mounts. But it might come in handy at some point. Then we go to the big boxes. Box number 5. Some more plastic bits that I'm not too sure about. Some ECS and electric components, servos. Some gears. There's quite a few gears. There's motors. And this one, I think, is to adjust the ECS. And we have this to basically be able to do this. Oh, here's the wrong side. Oh, it's a little tool for use for the car. Box number 6. A lot of plastic. There's wings. There's a front bumper. And this one is where the battery is sitting on. So a lot of bits and bobs. Quite handy because, well, plastic breaks. So if it breaks, I have extras. And then we come to the fun one. This one. A complete front end, which, well, if I show you the one I have now, mine is plastic and this is aluminium, whatever you call it, or alu. So I might in a future video, most likely in a future video, replace these, because, well, I might as well have the best in my car, and this is better than plastic. So the only thing is I might have to use these shocks because, well, there's one missing here, and this one is between front and rear, and also some more body parts, but overall quite a good amount of spares. So if something breaks, I should be able to fix it. But stay tuned for the next video.